Hello Kartapult users! In this video, we will be discussing Google Ads Manager. Here, you can view different ads along with their ad group name, campaign name, and their KPIs. From this button, you can add more metrics, and from here, you can check the status of your ad. If you want to pause or resume an ad group, you can simply select them. Then, using this button, you get the option to pause or resume the ad. To resume an ad immediately, simply click on this button. If you wish to schedule this action for a later time, that option is also available from this button. And for a more refined view, use the basic filter button to filter your ad by name, status, ID, metric, or campaign type. Moreover, you can compare data between two time periods using this button. By following these steps, you can effectively monitor and manage your Google Ads using the Google Ad Manager feature of Kartapult.